Today I'm gonna show you how to make cornbread in a different way. This is something delicious that you can try to make at home. You can see here a cornbread with cheese. For this recipe you're gonna need 2 cans of yellow corns. You can buy those in the supermarket. Once you bring them home, make sure you open them and remove all the liquid or water. We don't need that. Okay, as you can see here, these are the type of whole corns that you're gonna need. After you're removing the water or the liquid, just make sure you pour all the kernels. And then we're gonna use a food processor. You can also use a big, and wide blender, but I prefer to use a food processor. And I'm gonna add 2 eggs. Put one there, start processing, wait like 1 minute, and then you're gonna add the second egg. Now there are a lot of recipes and how to make cornbread, but this is my recipe that I created and it's very tasty. Okay, we're gonna use 4 ounces of butter or 113 grams. Make sure to melt the butter. You can put it in the microwave for 20 seconds and then just add it to inside the food processor, cover, and then keep doing the same process. Make sure you have your oven already on. I will say for 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. I'm gonna use 1 cup of sugar. Now some people are gonna say, no, this one doesn't have sugar. Yes, you can add sugar or you can omit it. And I'm also gonna add 1.5 cup of cheese. You can use Parmesan cheese, any type of dry cheese like this one, okay? It's gonna give a nice flavor to this cornbread. In the south of the United States, people make cornbread different. And I'm gonna put a little bit of baking soda, just maybe a little spoon, a tablespoon. That's it. And we also are gonna add some corn meal or corn flour, 1.5 cup. You can buy this in Walmart. It's very cheap, and it's gonna be a very good cornbread. We are almost finishing here. There's nothing like using a food processor, you just start putting everything in there. And you can also put a little bit of vanilla extracts if you want. Make sure you use a spoon to make sure everything inside is all combined. And I'm gonna put all that stuff inside a piping bag. That way it's gonna be easy for me once I start pouring all these inside of containers. Now you can use any type of mold or container for baking this, but I prefer to use a little ones. I'm gonna show you that I got online. I bought them on Amazon. They're very good, 5 of them. I like to put a little bit of butter, and then with a little brush I start going on the top, on the edges, all around. It's important to have your oven on. You have to be hot. Now we're gonna pour everything in here. It's gonna be amazing. Like I said, if you don't want sugar, or if you think 1 cup of sugar is too much, just use half of a cup, or you can omit it. It's up to you. Now some people like to put jalapenos in there. Like I said, there are thousands of recipes of how to make cornbread. Okay, once you put everything in there, make sure it doesn't go all the way on the top, and then start using a spoon just to balance everything. Put everything on a tray, and it's gonna go inside the oven for 55 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit. I like to eat this sometimes with a cup of coffee, with a hot tea, for a snack. You can make this and let me know if you like it, Okay, let's go here with 55 minutes. And after that, once you take them out of the oven, make sure you leave them out for like 1 or 2 hours. They look beautiful and they are tasty. They are delicious. You have to make this. That's the only way to find out. Okay, now after a couple of hours, they look amazing. See? Now I'm gonna cut them just to make sure you can see the inside, the structure, the flavor, everything is excellent. Thank you for watching. I hope you give it a try. This is a good way of making cornbread using yellow whole kernels that you can buy easily in any supermarket. Alright, give it a try and leave a comment to see if you like it or not. Alright, we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.